Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 19th day of August 2025. We just finished with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others as well. So here we go. The setup is this. We're going to go to our old friend, the strong candle indicator. You can only find this at samuraidaytrading.com. That's part of the indicator package. They have a couple of really nice, unique indicators to really help with your trading. So whenever you see this, you go, okay, I want to take this candle short. You may say, well, what about this candle over here that had the strong candle indicator? Well, if your stop was where it was supposed to be over the top two candles behind, you never got stopped out. And then that one paid as well. But this one closed below the brick wall, and we're good to go. Nothing in the way here. So we just want this to push up a little bit. The market has started to cool. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 40 and 100 ticks in length. So we're going to just use our standard ATM that we usually use, which is 2 times 16, 1 times 31, and 1 times 61. So we'll de-risk after 16 and see if we can catch our runners. So we're going to go ahead and go with a short. Let's go ahead and get started and show you what happened. So we start here. The market pushes up beautifully. We move from the end of the candle up to the body of the candle. Because why should I give away profit if it's going to retrace and pick me up? So a nice little push retrace off of this brick wall will be beautiful. As soon as we get picked up, we'll speed it up so that we're not here all day. And we just need to wait to get picked up on this bad boy. That's a beautiful, beautiful looking trade right there. The setup is brilliant. And here we go. The stop is almost where it needs to be. It needs to be up here. Now, as soon as our first target gets taken out, the stop is going to move to a break-even position. So we're already picked up, so I guess I could speed it up a tad. The battle's on here, right at the end of the body of the candle. That's it's one of your areas of contention. Okay, this is only 2 times. All right, first target's out. Notice how our stop went to a break even. Now, if the market comes back and takes us out at break even, I have the opportunity to re-enter the trade if I want to. I'm just hedging against another big move long. All right, touched our 31 tick target, but didn't pay us. So we'll speed it up a tad. Second target's out. Now we're in profit, even if the market comes back and takes us out in the negative. And we could still put another order on if we want to. Looks like this may take, I think this took 2 candles to pay. We're at 4 times speed right now, so you can tell the market's really slowed down. All right, now I got back-to-back strong candles. I can actually put another trade on here. We didn't do this in the room, but this was, well, now I can put it on there. If it takes me out, I put another one on up here. Just giving that little room to play has made all the difference. So we're 2 times 16. We're 60 ticks into profit. The stop is at minus 14. So if it did take us out, we would have made 46 ticks. Now, if it didn't take us out, we're into a brand new trade, and that's out as well. So everything's been paid. Now, I'm not sure. At this point, we probably want to just go ahead and take this out. All right, so what does that mean? Between the two trades right there, this one right here and this one right here, this one had all targets hit. This one had the first two targets hit. So we made 60 ticks on that one, or $300. We made $620 on this one right here. So for a total of $935, and it took less than 10 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 935 US dollars in 10 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.